How to configure the sound and vibration of T3. How to configure the vibration of T3. Scan the vibration offsetting code. The vibration of T3 closed. Scan the vibration on setting code. The vibration of T3 turns on. How to configure the sound of T3. Scan the turn-off sound setting code. The sound of T3 closed. Scan the low volume setting code. The T3 scanning sound will change to low volume. Scan the medium volume setting code. The T3 scanning sound will change to medium volume. Scan the high volume setting code. The T3 scanning sound will change to high volume.